All right, brand new beauty with the boat in the boat barn or waterfront classic with the boat behind the house? What would you choose? Let's come take a look. All right, so I have this buyer. His budget, $750,000, 2,000 square feet, and he's got to have boat access. So what it came down to is in the same neighborhood, he could buy this old classic with the boat behind his house, or he could buy a brand new home, but you'd have to keep the boat in the boat barn. We're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of both and which one he chose. All right, look at this house.
Wow.
So what are some of the advantages of this new home we have here?
Well, for starters, you have a huge wow factor because wow. Open concept,
Yep.
brand new everything, high ceilings, and it's not just a tray ceiling, it's a decorative ceiling.
Yeah, and the big tile.
Yeah, nice and shiny. Love the appliances, the wall, even the AC vents.
Linear vents, those are super nice.
Those are very nice, very modern.
And check out this kitchen. And look, this is the new modern look for the pantry. Built-in cabinet pantry.
Wow. You know I love a good pantry.
Yeah.
But I also love the new appliances. I even love this,
Quartz tops.
the quartz tops, but I love the extension here.
Yep.
And you're starting to see this more and more in the modern houses. Such an awesome space for hosting.
Hey, look at this. It says add some food items to your refrigerator, just like your refrigerator at home.
That's always empty. Who likes to throw away their weekend on maintenance stuff? Or who likes getting that call saying, hey, my water heater busted and it's running down the driveway? I know I don't. And for me, I already had the bad refrigerator. You don't get that in brand new homes. What you get are these super cool appliances, brand new water heater, brand new air conditioner, which is extra important here in Florida. But I love a good refrigerator where I can write my shopping list right on the front. You don't get that in an older home.
I totally agree. All right, so one of the minor advantages of this home is real estate taxes. In theory, they should be the same because the price is the same, but the reality is all the comps the appraiser is going to pull will be non-waterfront for this house. So your tax base is going to be a little bit less. Therefore, your taxes on this new home are going to be less than our other home.
Another thing that I love about new homes is the lower insurance that you have. What causes you to have lower insurance? The new roof. It's all built to code what it is today. Your hurricane protection, your higher elevation, all of these things are taken into consideration when you're looking for your insurance. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. So one of the disadvantages with this newer home is it's not going to have that waterfront view that everybody wants. Instead, we've got this wall at this particular home, not quite as exciting. All right, let's talk about the boat barn. Some of the advantages are one, protection. You can see this boat behind me, no protection from the storm, sun, weather, dust. Two, boat access. The boat barn is going to be way faster for you to hop in your boat and just ride out. All right, Natalie, what do you think of this? This is the old and classic, just like me.
Yeah, no.
No?
I'm ping pong against all these walls. It feels so dark even though all the lights are on. I'm not digging this house.
But it's been remodeled.
Not good enough.
Not good enough?
Not good enough. You know, like I have my brand new shoes on as a kid. Look, Dad, I can touch the ceiling. That doesn't work in a new house.
All right, well, here's the laundry room.
Super small.
And the garage comes with this classic alarm system.
Yeah, but watch me fall down these steps.
So you'll see these lower elevations in these older homes.
And back to my issue, pouring out money on maintenance. money and time. Your crusty, dusty water heater, your air conditioner, yup, your popcorn ceiling. I like my popcorn at the theater, not in my house. And no matter how much it's been remodeled, it's still not new. Old bones means I need to take down walls. Just too much that I don't want to have to deal with.
Well, there you go.
Again, here we go. Different floors. A 1980s closet door area. What's that about? More different floors. Super dark. Low ceiling. And really expensive insurance because you don't have hurricane protection. Hey, Ted, look, I found something in this house that I actually like. It's got an awesome, huge pool.
It is a great pool. The older houses definitely have bigger pools than the newer ones. One thing about this house you'll notice is the older house and this house has a water view. And that's just something that's hard to put a price on.
All this talk about access, all this talk about the view, and nothing about taking me out to lunch on your boat that's in your backyard.
Well, now the boat's behind the house, I could take you out anytime you want and not have to worry about a wait at the boat barn. All right, let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of the boat barn. Huge disadvantage is cost. Right around $800 a month is what an average boat costs to stay at the barn. That's $9,600 a year. So that's a lot of money to be able to keep your boat at the barn. Versus here, it doesn't cost me anything. Plus convenience. I can get up as early as I want. I can come back as late as I want. And I don't have to worry about any boat barn rules.
So when are you taking me out, like I said?
Right now, let me go get the keys. All right, Natalie, so you got two houses. Which one are you gonna choose?
You know me, I'm going for the new one. Low maintenance, low insurance, open concept, beautiful appliances. That's me.
Okay. Me, I would go for the old one. What I like is the quick boat access out. I don't have to worry about the barn. And think of all the money I'm going to save not paying that huge boat fee. You know, $9,600 a year I'm saving. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I would much rather have this older house with the boat right behind my yard. In the real world, what happened was the buyer chose the new house in the boat barn. You know, both lifestyles have advantages and disadvantages. Feel free to comment below. Tell me which one you would have chosen. And if you need some help, feel free to reach out.